Having a small-sized manhood is a dilemma that any adult man would not want to face in his lifetime. But to an unfortunate few of us, a small penis is a real-life problem that not only affects our self-esteem but our sex life too. It is not to say that you are resigned to being small down there for the rest of your life. There are several things that you can do, including surgery, to help your penis to gain physical size. But what if I told you there is no need for you to endure the pain of surgery in order to make your penis bigger for real? DIY penis enlargement from home. The male enhancement market today is a goldmine of products that can help you become better endowed in the manhood department. You can choose from a wide range of tools, medication, and techniques to realize your wish to be bigger. Most of these male enhancement products can, however, cost you a lot of money. But if you do not wish to spend as much as $100 to get your penis to grow bigger, there is only one thing you need to focus on: exercise. Hold your horses there. Don't get suited up in your exercise gear just yet. The exercises that you need to do in order to make your penis bigger does not involve any physical workout. Penis enlargement exercise only involves some very easy to do stretches and massages that you perform directly on your manhood using just your hands. Exercises make your penis grow naturally bigger. You are probably wondering how on earth can doing some simple stretches and massages help the male organ increase in size. Stretching and massaging your penis in specific ways help to stimulate the blood flow to the male organ. This rush of blood breaks down the cells in your penis blood chambers, which then naturally regenerate into larger cells. As more and more of the cells in the chambers end up larger in size, the blood chambers are then able to store a higher amount of blood in them. This causes the tissues that surround the blood chambers to gradually expand. Of course, this results in your penis becoming physically bigger in size eventually. But don't think for a second that you would have to end up doing the exercises forever in order to remain bigger in size down there. Because cells are known to never shrink in size, your penis blood chambers will always be made up of the larger sized cells, and hence, you will remain bigger in size even if you stop doing the exercises. Why exercising is a better way to make your penis bigger? Penis enlargement exercise is not the perfect solution to your small manhood problem. It does have its own set of disadvantages as compared to the other male enhancement products available out there. For instance, it does take some manual effort on your part to do the exercises. And, you may only start to notice a change in your penis size after a couple of weeks of exercising. But for all of its shortfalls, penis exercising makes up with a wide range of benefits that make it a very feasible way to grow your manhood bigger. Apart from enhancing your penis size, exercising also helps in improving the male organ's health. Doing the exercises regularly helps to strengthen your penis in order to achieve a harder and longer-lasting erection than before. The exercises also help to toughen up your ejaculatory muscles, to prevent any sort of problems in lasting the distance each time you have sex. And of course, because you only need to make use of your hands to do the exercises, it costs next to nothing for you to make your penis bigger by simply exercising it regularly. So if you are troubled by your lack of size in the manhood department, give penis enlargement exercises.